Hey guys, it's your Weird Wild Wacky Aunt Kristen here. Oh, let's do it in this mode. Well, now I know what was raiding my bird feeder. Here he is. And Loki is whimpering because he wishes he were outside. This is, of course, a raccoon. He's a little startled, and he is scared because Loki was chasing him. He's kind of trapped up there. I'm going to give him a little time to get himself down. I'm not going to mess with him. I'm very lucky because this guy can do some damage to dogs. That's the opposite of what I want. Boy, he's something else.